Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this right in front of me is my brand new Pro scooter. It is the North Scooter Switchblade Complete, and I'm so happy I got it, and I'm going to talk about this scooter, some parts, and I'm going to unbox it. This scooter is in, wait, let me find it. It is a black and rose gold color, but it actually looks like purple. And for the dimensions, and it is 4.7 inches wide by 28 inches long. This T-bar is 23 inches high and 21.5 inches wide. And for the wheels, this is a hollow core wheel, and it is 120 milliliter. The things I really like about this scooter is it has a really big box deck, so it makes grinding tricks easier, and it's good for me because I'm still learning on how to grind. I've never seen it in person, but it looks really good. Look, it even has the, I don't know if you could see, has the logo in kind of a black on black color here. The grips are also really comfy.
Vous écoutez bien? Alors, commence.
Epic fail! I ordered a brand new scooter and paid $230, but you could just see how scratched up the bottom of the deck was. It was a used scooter, so I reported this to Sport Check and went to the store, returned it, and got a new scooter. And the bar was also in the wrong size. I ordered a 24.5, but it came in as a 23 inch. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.
Vous écoutez bien? Alors, commence.